Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we're going to see how to create movie poster design in Photoshop. Before getting started, you can download all the files used in this tutorial. Link in the description. Download it, use it. If you got any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you. Fine, let's get started. First go to the folder you downloaded. Open the poster PSD file inside Photoshop. This one is design ready file. You can straight away start designing it. First we're going to create our background. For that, go to the folder you downloaded, open the image 1 inside Photoshop, drag and drop it inside our canvas. I'll place it inside background folder. I'll name this as image 1. Now I'm going to enable free transform tool by using keyboard shortcut Ctrl T and I'm going to resize the image. Okay, I'll settle with this one. Next we are going to bring in our cloud image. For that, go to the folder you downloaded, open the image 2 inside Photoshop, drag and drop it inside of canvas, name this one as image 2. I'm gonna place it right below the image 1 layer. Now enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize the image. Fine, next we are going to add few effects to our image 2 layer. For that, we are going to create a color lookup layer first. Go to the adjustment layer, create a color lookup layer, clip mask this one, right click, create clip mask. Now I'm going to select the candlelight cube option. Okay, next we are going to create a gradient map layer. And again, I'm going to clip mask this one, right click, create clip masking, select the gradient map bar on the left, on the right end. I'm going to select color black. On the left end, I'm going to select color FF9600. I'll change the blending mode to overlay and I'll bring down the opacity down to 36%. Next, I'm going to add a new layer, change the blending mode as color dodge. Again, I'm going to clip mask this one, create clip masking. Okay, go to color picker, select color F0520C. Okay, select brush. I'm going to select soft round brush, this one. Increase the size and I'm give a single click so that we'll get a glow effect. Fine, now we are done with image 2 layer. Next we are going to make the image 1 layer a little bit darker. For that, we are going to create a new layer, right click, clip mask the layer, go to edit, fill, select 50% gray, keep the mode as overlay, click OK. Now change the layer blending mode as overlay. Okay, next we are going to select burn tool, keep the exposure as 45 and select soft round brush and just brush it to get a darker shades on the image 1 layer. Okay, I'll settle with this one. Now we are done with the background image. Next we are going to bring in our model image. Go to the folder you downloaded, open the image 3 inside Photoshop, drag and drop the image inside of canvas. Okay, I'm not going to resize the image. Okay, if you want, you can resize the image by enabling free transform tool. Okay, I'm going to add a shadow effect to our model image. For that, create a layer, place it right below the image layer. I'll name it as shadow. Go to color picker, select black color, enable soft brush tool. I'll reduce the size, give a single click. Now enable free transform tool, adjust the size. Now zoom in and I'm going to place it right below the model image foot. Okay, I'm going to reduce the opacity to 65%. Let's keep it minimal. Okay, next we are going to add effects to our model image. First, create a brightness contrast layer. Right click and clip mask the layer. I'll reduce the brightness to -9 and I'll keep the contrast as 5. Okay, next create a curve layer. Again, clip mask this one. Select blue. Bring down the top curve up a little bit and the top curve down a little bit so that it will get a yellowish kind of tone. That will make the model image merge with the background image. Next, we're going to add a new color lookup layer. For that, go to the adjustment layer, create color lookup layer. Again, we're going to clip mask this one. I'll select candle cube. This one is too harsh. I'm going to reduce the opacity down to 30%. Okay. Next, we're going to add an inner shadow effect to our model image. For that, go to the model image layer, select, right click and select blending option, inner shadow, select color FF8933. I'll keep the opacity as 42. Let the angle be 90. Distance 11. Show 4. I'll keep the size as 111. Okay. So now we are done with our model image. Next, we are going to add a smoke effect at the bottom. For that, you need to install a brush. Go to the folder you downloaded. There you will see a smoke brush. Double click and install the brush inside Photoshop. Now go to color picker. Select color A2814C. Select the newly installed brush, the smoke brush. Okay, I'll increase the size a little bit. Now reduce the flow to 50%. We want to keep it minimal. Give few clicks on both ends so that we'll get a minimal smoke effect, so that the image and the background image will merge a little bit better. Okay, next I'm going to select another color, which is 2B1913, and I'm going to make the left hand a little bit darker because we're going to add our text. Okay, I'll settle with this one. Next, we are going to add our text. For that, go to the text layer, create a layer, go to color picker, select white color, type in your text. The font I'm using is a free font. You can download the font. I'll give the link in the description. You can download it if you want. Next, I'm going to add some effects to the text. Right click, blending option, drop shadow. I'll keep the blending mode as multiple. I'll keep the opacity as 100, angle 93, distance 21. I'll keep the spread as 5, size something around 24. Okay. Next, I'm going to create another layer. By using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J, I'll create a duplicate copy. I'll reduce the size to 24. I'll change the font style. Okay, next we are going to add another effect to our text. Now go to the folder you downloaded. There you will see a file called gold paper. Open the image inside Photoshop. Drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Place the image right above the text layer. Now we are going to clip mask this one. Right click, create clip masking. Okay. Now I'm going to repeat the same one for the another text layer. Create a duplicate copy of that image. Place it right above the text layer. Right click, clip mask. Fine. Now we are done with our text part. Next we are going to add a sparkle effects. For that, go to the folder you downloaded. There will see a image called fire. Open the image inside Photoshop, drag and drop it inside our canvas. Now I'm going to enable the free transform tool, Control T, and to resize the image, I'll make it a little bit larger so that it will fit inside our canvas neatly. I'll change the blending mode as screen so that those darker parts will be turns invisible. Okay, next we're going to add a glow effect. For that, create a layer, change the blending mode as color dodge, go to color picker, select some dark orange, something like that. Now select soft round brush and give a single click. Sorry, we need to increase the flow to 100%. Give a single click. Okay, next we are going to add crunchy effect to our poster. For that, go to the folder you downloaded. There you will see a rusty texture image. Open the file inside Photoshop, drag and drop it inside our canvas, place it inside our canvas. I think this one fits correctly. Okay, we don't need to adjust the image, so I'm going to change the blending mode as hard light. It looks a little bit harsh. I'm going to reduce the opacity down to 50%. Okay, I'll settle with this one. Fine, we are almost done with our design. So as a final few steps, we are going to merge all our layers. Go to layer, select merge visible, and while clicking this one, hold Alt key in your keyboard. Now all our layers are merged into a single layer. Next, I'm going to sharpen the image a little bit. For that, I'm going to right click and convert the layer to a smart object. Now go to filter, sharpen, smart sharpen. I'll click the amount as 479, radius 2.9, reduce the noise to 100%. I'll keep the remove as Gaussian bar and click OK. So that now our poster look a little bit sharper, the edges looks a little bit sharper. We are almost done with the design. As a final step, we are going to add a glow effect. For that, create a layer, change the blending mode as color dodge, go to color picker, select color B46600, click OK, select soft round brush. I'll give a single click on near the face so that we'll get some cinematic glow effect. So our movie poster is ready. So that's it, guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more Photoshop tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.